Why you'll stay broke forever, unless you hear this. You're not broke because the system is unfair. You're broke because you're playing the game like a loser. Let's be honest, you spend more time complaining than creating, more time scrolling than studying, more time watching others win than building your own damn skills. And then you wonder why your bank account looks like a graveyard. Here's what no one's telling you. Your 9 to 5 won't make you rich. It keeps you just comfortable enough to stay silent. Your budgeting won't save you because you're not broke from spending, you're broke from not earning enough. And you're not earning enough because you refuse to level up. Truth is, you're addicted to safety. You won't take risks, won't start, won't even try, unless it's guaranteed to work. That's not playing smart, that's playing small. Wealth doesn't come from saving pennies, it comes from becoming valuable. And that means doing the hard stuff. Learning skills no one else wants to learn. Selling something, failing, fixing, failing again, and staying in the game while others quit. You keep chasing easy money. But the truth is, real money feels impossible at first. Because it is, for anyone who keeps doing the bare minimum. So here's the shift. Stop chasing comfort. Start chasing competence. Stop asking what's the quickest way. Start asking, what skill would make me impossible to ignore? Money follows value. Value follows effort. And effort doesn't live where you're currently hiding. So yeah, stay broke. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep waiting, watching, whining, or get pissed off enough to actually do something. Because until you do, you're the reason you're poor. Let me ask you something real. When was the last time you did something uncomfortable, on purpose? Not because someone forced you. Not because you had no choice, but because you knew it was the only way forward. You say you want freedom, but your habits are building a prison. You say you want success, but you sabotage every chance to actually earn it, with your laziness, your fear, your fake productivity. Success isn't hiding from you, you're hiding from it. Behind Netflix, behind excuses, behind comfort food and content you'll forget in 5 minutes. You're scared to bet on yourself. But here's the truth. If you won't invest in you, why should the world? Why should anyone pay you more? Why should opportunities find you? Why should your future look any different? You want $1 million results on minimum wage effort. That's not ambition, that's delusion. So here's the real challenge. Pick a skill. Master it, charge for it, repeat. Stop being a consumer, become a creator. Stop waiting to be rescued. Build the damn ladder. Because the truth is brutal but simple, you'll stay broke. Until you're more useful than you are comfortable.